Hello, welcome back. While working with a large Excel worksheet or consolidating several small spreadsheets into a bigger one, you may find many duplicate rows in it. What I'm going to demonstrate here is how you can get rid of duplicate records. Let's dive in. Look carefully at the date of this worksheet. There are some duplicate records like Martin P. Ophie in rows 9 and 17, and like Kelly B. Vlas in rows 3 and 13. There are many records in the sheet, so we have to find a better way to identify duplicate records and get rid of them. We can use conditional formatting to identify duplicate values and arrange quickly. Let's get started. The first step is to highlight a specific column that contains duplicate records, like column A. You can highlight all of the columns, of course. Go to the Home tab, click on the Conditional Formatting button, and select the first Trace Highlight Cells rule. There are some options here. We are interested in the last option, duplicate values. Look at the results. Excel highlighted all the duplicate cells immediately. Pretty straightforward, right? Change the color if you want and press OK. Now your job is done. To get rid of these duplicate rows, click anywhere within the data, go to the Data tab and select Remove Duplicate. In the newer versions of Excel, this is where you can find it. Highlight, click anywhere, go to Data, and here is it. You can see Remove Duplicate. This is it. You can see Remove Duplicate. There is a slight difference in the newer version of Excel and the older version. So this is in the newer version. This is how you see it. If you are using the older version, you will see it in the previous example. So if you don't want to check duplicate in every column, you can do this by unchecking the columns you want. Excel tells us that several duplicate values are found and removed. Our job is done, so you learn a quick, really efficient way to get rid of duplicate records. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson.